How to delete your Windows Update files. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can delete your Windows Update files. Now, deleting your Windows Update files will improve your performance and also free up some storage on your device. So, if you want to do that, let's begin. First of all, you'll need to open up your File Explorer. So open that up. Right here you will need to go to this PC and you will need to select local disk. So head over to your local disk and you'll find your folders in your C drive. What you'll have to do is you'll have to locate the Windows folder and head over there. After you're on your Windows folder, you will need to find another folder called Software Distribution. So simply start searching for it. And if you see Windows Software Distribution, you can simply head over there again. So there you can see Software Distribution, open it up. Now right here inside Software Distribution, you'll find another folder called Download. Tap on Download. And now you'll need to delete everything that's in this folder. So you can simply select all of these and then press on delete. You can tap on delete from here and then delete the Windows updates. And that's basically how you do it, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.